Students, we are discussing redox reactions. Under this chapter, we are discussing types of redox reactions. In the last class, we discussed redox combination reactions. So, in this class, let us continue the types of redox reactions. The second one is redox decomposition reaction. Redox decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions are opposite to the combination reactions. In combination reactions, two or more substances are combined to form a compound. But here, in decomposition reactions, a compound is break down into the two or more substances, of which one of the substance is in elemental state or uncombined state. So decomposition reactions, combination reactions ಗೆ opposite. Combination reactions ಅಲ್ಲಿ two or more substances combine ಆಗಿ compound formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But in decomposition reactions, compound ಇರೋದು heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ decompose ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, break down ಆಗಿ two or more substances are formed, of which one of the substance is in uncombined state, whose oxidation state is 0. So decomposition reactions are nothing but the chemical reactions. The chemical reactions. The chemical reactions in which the compound is breakdown into two or more substances or two or more components, two or more substances, at least one of which is in elemental state. It's called as decomposition reaction. So decomposition reactions are also redox reactions. Decomposition reactions are opposite to the combination reactions. In combination reactions, when two or more substances are combined, compound is formed. But in decomposition reaction, a compound is decomposed or a compound is break down into two or more components or two or more substances, of which one of the substance is in uncombined state or free state or elemental state, whose oxidation number is 0. Such type of reactions are called as decomposition reactions. Let us take examples. Number 1, H2O, 2H2O break down into or decomposed into 2H2 gas plus O2 gas. So here in H2O, in water is a compound. Oxygen oxidation number is -2. Common oxidation state or oxidation number of oxygen in the compounds is -2. Hydrogen in almost all the compounds is +1. So +1 hydrogen, -2 oxygen. Look at the product side. Hydrogen is now element, no oxidation state 0. Oxygen is the element, no oxidation state is 0. Now water is a compound. It is break down into the A chemical reaction in which compound is break down into the two substances now. In these substances now oxidation state is 0. Yes, it is a redox decomposition reaction. The second example, 2NaH, sodium hydride on decomposition forms sodium plus H2. Now sodium hydride is a metal hydride. In metal hydride, hydrogen oxidation number is -1. So then sodium is now +1. Now sodium hydride is decomposed to the sodium and hydrogen. Now in the product side, sodium is 0 oxidation state and hydrogen oxidation state is 0. Now decomposition. Third example. Take KClO3. KCl, potassium chlorate. Potassium chlorate on decomposition takes place to form 2KCl plus 3O2. In potassium chloride, KClO3 means potassium chlorate. Oxygen state is -2. Potassium is first group element, so +1. We have to calculate the Cl. So let us find here KClO3. K1 plus Cl, you don't know, Cl as it is, plus 3 oxygens, 3 into oxygen state is -2. No charge on the compound, so 0. So then 1 plus Cl -6 is equal to 0. Cl -5 is equal to 0, or Cl is equal to +5. In KClO3, chlorine has oxidation number of +5. KClO3 decomposes to form KCl plus 3O2. Cl now -1, potassium +1. Here oxygen is 0. Now KClO3 is a compound which on decomposition forming another compound KCl plus another substance oxygen whose oxidation state is 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ರೆಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ರೆಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ರೆಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ ಥರ ಬಂದರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ರೆಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. Like this, decomposition, redox decomposition reactions are nothing but the chemical reactions in which the compound is break down into 2 or more substances, of which one of the substance must have oxidation number 0. So in this redox decomposition reactions, there is a note. In redox decomposition reactions, there is one note, important note. So that is, decomposition of metal carbonates are not a redox reactions. That is, decomposition of metal decomposition of metal carbonates are not redox reactions because during the decomposition of metal carbonates there will be no change in the oxidation numbers of the elements from reactant side to the product side. Let us take calcium carbonate. Calcium is a metal carbonate. Calcium carbonate, which is a solid, on decomposition to form another compound, calcium oxide plus another compound, carbon dioxide. See, calcium carbonate is now one compound which on decomposition to form compound plus carbon. So it is a decomposition reaction but not redox decomposition reaction. Each chapter give an example for redox decomposition reaction andaga ee example kodbardu yake. Let us see. Calcium, second group element in the compound, plus 2 oxidation state. Oxygen in the compound minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Minus 6 and plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2. So it is minus 4. Set that side. Equal to 0 means plus 4. Calculate oxidation state of carbon in CaCO3. So here plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. So look at reactants and products. Calcium plus 2. So in product also calcium plus 2. Carbon plus 4. Carbon plus 4. Oxygen minus 2. Oxygen minus 2. There will be no change in the oxidation numbers of the elements before decomposition of the compound and after decomposition of the compound. Hence, it is not a redox reaction. It is not a redox reaction. That means metal carbonate decomposition of metal carbonates are not redox reactions. So because no change in the oxidation numbers of the elements. So before decomposition and after decomposition of the compound, there will be no change in the oxidation numbers of the elements. Hence, metal carbonates decomposition are not a redox reactions. They are just decomposition reactions, but not redox decomposition reactions. Okay, next. Third type of redox decomposition reaction is displacement reaction. Displacement reactions. So displacement reactions are nothing but the chemical reactions in which one substance or one atom or an ion is get displaced by another atom or ion present in elemental state. It is called as displacement reaction. The chemical reactions in which an atom or ion of the compound is get displaced by another atom or an ion present in elemental state. So let us take displacement reaction. So that is the chemical reactions in which an atom or ion of a compound is displaced by another atom state is called as a displacement reaction. Let us take XY is the compound. When it is reacts with another element Z. See, XY is a compound where X is in positive oxidation state or Y is in the negative oxidation state. And but Z is uncombined state, so oxidation state is 0. So XY reacts with Z to form XZ plus Y. Now Y is the atom present in the compound XY, which is displaced by another atom Z, whose oxidation state is 0. So the ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, that is called as displacement reactions. There are two types of displacement reactions: metal displacement reactions and non-metal displacement reactions. Types of displacement reactions, that is metal displacement reactions. Metal displacement reactions. So metal displacement reactions means the displacement reaction in which the metal from the compound is displaced by another metal in elemental state. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟಲ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ metal displacement reaction. So that means generally high reactive metal whose oxidation state is 0 can displace low reactive metal from its salt solutions, are called as metal displacement reactions. So it is the metal in the compound, the metal in the compound is displaced by another metal in elemental state. It's called as metal displacement reaction. The metal in the compound is displaced by another metal in elemental state. It's called as a metal displacement reactions. Let us take one example. For metal displacement reactions. Example 1. Zinc is the metal which is in zero oxidation state plus reacts with aqueous copper sulfate solution. Now in copper sulfate, copper is in +2 oxidation state. Now zinc is more reactive metal which is present in elemental state. Now copper ion in copper sulfate is +2 charge. Now zinc can displace copper to form zinc sulfate plus copper. Now whose oxidation state is 0 now? Copper is low reactive metal which is displaced by another high reactive metal present in elemental state. Opposite is not possible. Next, iron plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus Cu. So here in second example, iron is the high reactive metal whose oxidation state is now 0, which can displace copper from copper sulfate. So totally high reactive metals can displace low reactive metals from their salt solutions or compounds, are called as metal displacement reactions. Okay, next. Second type of displacement reaction is non-metal displacement reaction. Non-metal displacement. Non-metal displacement reactions. So this non-metal displacement reactions can include the displacement of halogens or hydrogens from the compounds. So non-metal displacement generally involves the displacement of the non-metals like hydrogen and the halogens from their compounds. So non-metal displacement reactions are nothing but displacement of non-metals like hydrogen and halogens. Displacement of non-metals like hydrogens and halogens takes place halogens from their compounds takes place by reactive metals in elemental state. So here, whenever the reactive metals reacts with the compounds, displacement of hydrogen gas or displacement of halogens gas takes place. Such type of displacement reactions are called as non-metal displacement reactions. Let us take one example. Whenever a sodium metal, high reactive metal, whenever a sodium metal is dropped into the water, then sodium hydroxide is formed and hydrogen is displaced. Now hydrogen is the non-metal which is displaced from the compound water by the reactive metal sodium. So it is also a redox reaction, displacement redox reaction, because in the 0, hydrogen +1, oxygen -2, sodium in the compound is +1, oxygen in the compound -2, hydrogen in the compound +1, hydrogen in the elemental state is 0. So that means now hydrogen gas is displaced by the reactive metal sodium from the compound water. And second one, magnesium when added to the dilute HCl, MgCl is formed by the displacement of hydrogen gas. So here magnesium oxidation state is 0, hydrogen 1, Cl -1, Mg in the compound +2, Cl minus hydrogen 0. So hydrogen gas is the non-metal which is displaced by the reactive metals. So the displacement of nonmetals like hydrogen and halogens from their compounds by the reactive metals in uncombined state or elemental state. Elemental state means oxidation state is 0 for the element. So these are the two types of displacement reactions: metal displacement reaction and non-metal displacement reactions. Next, fourth type of redox reaction is called as disproportionation. Disproportionation. Disproportionation reactions. Disproportionation reactions. These are the special type of redox reactions. So in these chemical reactions, the one element in one oxidant state undergo oxidation and undergo reduction simultaneously. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Such type of reactions are called as disproportionation reactions. The chemical reactions in which the element in one oxidation state undergo oxidation and reduction simultaneously is called as disproportionation reactions. The chemical reactions in which the element in one oxidation state, undergo oxidation and reduction. Takes place simultaneously are called as disproportionation reaction. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆದರೆ that is called as disproportionation reactions. The chemical reactions in which the element in one oxidation state undergo oxidation and undergo reduction takes place simultaneously are called as disproportionation reactions. Let us take decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Example 1, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. So here in peroxides, oxidation number of oxygen is -1. So then hydrogen in the compound is +1. Now hydrogen peroxide decomposed to form hydrogen gas, that means H2O water plus oxygen gas. Now oxygen gas is elemental state, oxidation number is 0. Now in water, oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Hydrogen in the compound is +1. Look at this example. Hydrogen on both sides, oxidation state is +1. But oxygen in the peroxide, oxidation number is -1. But now in the water, oxidation number of oxygen is -2. In the elemental state of oxygen, 0. So here, hydrogen, no change in the oxidation numbers. Hagadre, the element is oxygen which undergo reduction and oxidation taking place simultaneously. See here, oxygen in -1 state is converted into the oxygen in -2 state. -1, -2, increase in negative charge. So that reduction. Next, -1 oxidation state is converting into the -1 oxidation state is converting into the oxygen 0. This is called as reduction. That means the oxidation. Loss of electrons. So -1 oxidation state ಇರೋದು -1 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So loss of electrons, oxidation. Loss of electrons is taking place by the oxygen. Once again -1 is converted to -2, reduction, gain of electrons. ಅಂದ್ರೆ oxygen oxidation number ಇದ್ದದ್ದು -1 ಅಂತ. Now it is converted into the -2, now it is converted to the 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Such type of reactions are called as disproportionation reactions. So the chemical reactions in which the element, in one oxidation state is undergo oxidation and reduction simultaneously is called as disproportionation reactions. Let us take a second example. Take second example. Example 2. ClO minus plus another example is Cl2 plus 2OH minus gives rise to ClO minus plus Cl minus plus H2O. So this is another disproportionation reaction. Chlorine gas plus hydroxyl group 2OH minus ClO minus and plus Cl minus plus H2O. So Cl2 0 oxidation state. OH minus already given, charge -1. So here Cl plus 1. O minus 1 means O minus 1 here. So Cl plus 1. If you want to calculate oxidation number of Cl. So -1 already given, oxygen -2 plus 1. So in all the compounds, the oxidation state now here is -2. In all the compound, hydrogen is 1 plus 1. Now look at the Cl. Cl0 is converted into the Cl plus 1. Plus 1 means loss of electrons, oxidation. Next, Cl0 is converted into the Cl minus 1. Now, Cl0 is converted to Cl minus 1. So that is a reduction. And the same element, lossing of electrons takes place and gaining of electrons takes place simultaneously, is called as a disproportionation reactions. The chemical reactions in which the element in one oxidation state undergo oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Such type of reactions are called as disproportionation reactions.